To fix the Google Play Store, transaction was declined, error, which displays as error transaction was declined. ORFGEMF20. With only a got it option. Several steps can be taken. Firstly, it is essential to check the payment method being used, ensuring that there are sufficient funds available and that the method, such as a credit or debit card, or PayPal, is valid and not blocked, locked, disabled, expired, or otherwise restricted. If the issue persists, removing and then re-adding the payment method in the Google Play Store may resolve the problem. Another approach is to try using a different payment method, such as switching from a credit card to PayPal or a debit card. Additionally, verifying that the billing address matches the one associated with the payment method is crucial, as discrepancies can also cause this error. Clearing the Google Play Store's cache by going into the phone settings, finding the Google Play Store app, and then clearing the cache and data can also help. Note that this may require signing back into the Google Play Store with your account, but no data will be deleted. If none of these measures work, contacting the bank to inquire about any potential blocks on transactions, or reaching out to Google support for further assistance, may provide a solution to the issue.